Caribbean. You get reminded every day what day it is. Max on his morning walk. Good morning. Sitting out here in the solarium. Such a horrible view, wouldn't you say? Anyway, so first day, I guess day 2 on the Brilliance of the Seas. So far, it's okay. We'll talk about the food later. Yesterday was really good. Last night, not so much. So, alright, so anyway, not sure what I have in store for today. Missing my wife, I know that. But she'll be on the next one. So anyway, I'll let you know what we do today. Bye.
It's on the water, only sunny. Good morning, washy. No washy, no yummy. My name is Shane from Philippines. Welcome to Enjoy.
Thank you.
Good morning, washy.
Okay, so unlike Carnival, when you order an omelet, you just put in your order and you go away for 5 minutes and they send the page to you. So anyway, so I got eggs, potatoes, tomato, eggs, mushrooms, and rice. I'm not sure if it's lunchtime or breakfast. Here's the omelet. Don't know what it tastes like yet, but looks pretty good. I'll let you know.
And that no hands can be used. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I need him in the water. 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 And Andy used his hands. We use No worries, Tori. I need him in the water. I like the brain power. I like it. Turn around and face the TV. 3, 2, 1, go. In stunning fashion, a buzzer beater. All right, guys.
When you get a water on board Royal Caribbean, this is what you get. Cans of water. Now, where did that come from? Alright, time for some lunch, even though we just finished breakfast not that long ago, but time for some lunch in the Windjammer Cafe. Well, I'm eating healthy. Salad. Whoops. Max is eating healthy too.
I'm eating healthy too.
Yeah, who shows it? Tis a beautiful day. We've got the Serenade of the Seas. Followed us all the way from Tampa. Been about that same position the whole way. also going to Cozumel tomorrow. Nice about Royal Caribbean is, you know, everywhere you are, because they have these little guides on every floor, everywhere by the stairs and the elevators to tell you where everything is.
What do we got? Love, give him some energy. Holly counting down. 3, 2, 1. Oh! What do we got? 4s and 5 from Paul. Ooh. All right, I just gave him the score. He knows what he's got to do. Ladies and gentlemen, show him some love, give him some energy. Holly counting down. 3, 2, 1. Fives. Did you hear that smack? Fives. I don't see a 4. If you're doing a 4. What was the last guy? What did he get? Oh yeah, I believe so. Okay. Okay, he knows what he needs to do. He hails from Brentwood, Long Island. Show some love to Harrison. Make some noise for him. Helen counting down. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. It's 5s. There's a 4. I see some mostly 5s, but a lot of 4s, Harrison. I see a lot.
4. Going up. Step 5. Going up.
Max.
Spaghetti bolognese.
Bolognese. And then I got a starter of French onion soup again. For dessert, I just got cheesecake, but I forgot to film it, so now you got an 8 one.